Hey guys, in this video, we're just going to be going over the addition families paper that is in your kids' B-book to make sure you know how to be going over it with them and just honestly what addition families are, because that was kind of new terminology to me coming into this school year. So addition families are simply just families of addition problems that all equal the same number. So if you look at the one family, the answer to all the problems in the one family is 1. I've highlighted in your B-books currently through family 4, through the 4 family, because that's where we are in class, and I'll continue to highlight as we learn more families. But what our goal is with this is to first get them familiar with these math problems, that 2 plus 2 equals 4, 1 plus 3 equals 4, different problems like that, but also to help them understand the relation between problems, noticing those patterns that, hey, 0 plus 2 equals 2, but also 1 plus 1 equals 2, and noticing the patterns in those answers. As you're going through this sheet with them, it'll kind of change as we go, how you go through with them. I would suggest at first just having them read the problems out and getting used to that math terminology. So for instance, on the first problem, having them point 0 plus 1 equals 1. Getting used to seeing that plus sign and knowing that means plus, equal sign means equal. And just having them read through them and understanding and categorizing which problems go into which family. As they become more comfortable with these problems, I would start holding the paper as a parent and just verbally asking them these problems. So asking them, what is 1 plus 1? And having them say back, it equals 2. And just getting them really familiar with that. These are problems that they are going to see forever and ever and ever, and we want them to become second nature to them. We don't want them to have to think every time they see it, oh man, like what is 5 plus 3? We just want them to know 5 plus 3 is 8. So just going to be a lot of rote memorization, but this will definitely help them in the future as they grow in their math skills in the coming grades. So we just want them to be very comfortable with these addition problems, understand that if they have the same answer number, they're going to be in the same family. And we'll just keep growing with that as the school year goes. Eventually we'll get to the 10 family. Currently we're not in subtraction yet, so I'm not going to go into that right now, but as we do get into subtraction, I will start posting some videos for you guys about how to talk about subtraction. When we are talking about addition, it's always good to also use like word problem terminology. So saying like, if I have 1 and then I get 1 more, how many do I have? I have 2, and just using it in real life examples, like with their toys, with their, like with a cookie, if I give you 1 cookie and somebody gives you 1 more, how many do you have? And just making math real life for them, and just daily scenarios always helps too with them becoming more comfortable with these skills. At least that's what I try and do for them in the classroom, is just to give them real world problems and then have them see how that looks in math. So if you have any more questions about addition families, feel free to reach out to me, but I hope this was helpful. And please be practicing these with your kiddos at home, because they do come up on our tests pretty frequently right now. So we want them to be able to succeed in that and to do their best and just to be prepared for what's coming in the future. So hopefully it's helpful. Talk to you guys later.